because the knot. Yeah.
See, it's all on your finger.
No, I'm not going to pull the knot here.
Mom's sisters?
If you try a knot on this side, it stays superficial. And that's why you know it's like a monkey.
She's back now. Yeah. That's how we go have to get the family. She's awesome.
What was that?
The C-section's all done.
Okay.
Everything went great. Congratulations.
Thank you. He's so wonderful.
Remember, he's so cute. So he came out just like we thought. His little butt was down, with his little feet straight up, and his little head was on your side. You peed and pooped all over us. It was so cute.
Look at you.
Look at you, Peanut. Now we put some stitches in, okay? So those stitches are going to dissolve by themselves.
Okay.
And again, the surgery went just great.
Great. Thank you so much. I'm so happy it was you.
Me too. I'm going to come see you in the
I love to
recovery
hear
room, okay? Once they're just cleaning you off and
Okay.
putting some bandages on there. And then I'll come see you in there, okay?
Okay, great.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, doctor.
What do you call the ED?
5.
5?
How they